smooth baby like skin underneath my armpits. It's hot. I'm in Texas. I don't want nobody looking at me like, ugh, you know, because I used to be one of those people that'll be like, oh, I'll never let my hair grow up that long. And look at me now. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Zaria, and if you're returning, hey. And I'm just gonna hop into this video. In this video, I'll be doing a part 2 of the underarm waxing. My last waxing video got a lot of views. It's my most viewed video on my channel, so I guess you guys like those videos, so I'm gonna hopefully continue to do more in the future. Let's just hop into it. The things that you will need is I have a little bit of cornstarch right here. I have my wax warmer, of course, my wax. Your wax warmer will probably come with some pre and after wax treatment spray. And then you're gonna need, I forgot the name of these, but you're gonna need a few of these. As I do it, I'm gonna just kind of talk through my routine, how I keep my underarms clean, not smelling, and also keep them light so I don't have coloration underneath my armpits. Of course I have a little, but if I was still shaving from high school, then yeah, my underarms would have been dark by now. And of course I have Kari right here in the way. Okay, he moved. First, I'm just gonna put some cornstarch on. So my armpit routine consists of, I exfoliate with a exfoliating cloth or a glove to get all the, you know, dirt, sweat, and deodorant. And then, hold on, I'm gonna have to concentrate a little bit. So I'm just blowing on it to cool it down. But yeah, after I exfoliate and clean the area, I use this, it's actually an acne facial wash, but since it has antibacterial ingredients in it, I use it underneath my armpits. And for me, I don't get no smell underneath my armpits. It kind of eliminates that. Of course, I have to still wear deodorant. Like I can't take a shower and then walk outside without any deodorant, because no. I'm not one of those people. I can't do that. And that's pretty much my kind of routine. If you guys want like a more in-depth of me actually showing you, like this video or comment below. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys when the last time I waxed. Honestly, the last time I waxed was probably the last video, but I did shave, I think in May, beginning of the summer, because I was going to a pool party and I didn't want to show up like this. Oh, yeah, I didn't want to show up like this. So I quickly shaved, but of course, me shaving, I got ingrown hairs. That's why I don't like shaving, because I get ingrown hairs and it tend to cause discoloration. So that's why I started waxing. And then you might ask, why do I wait so long to wax? You want to wax when the hair is fully grown out. Your hair grows in stages. So say if you wax at the first sight of hair, a week or maybe a few days later, you're going to see more hair grow. The hair that didn't reach the top of the skin yet growing in. So you want to just let your hair grow out. And then second, you want your hair long enough. If your hair is too short, then the wax can't grip to it. And one other thing is, I notice my hair grows back even slower and thinner. Like, as you can see, my hair is not curly, it is straight. So I don't have too much issue with the maintenance as long as I exfoliate, make sure that's clean, use my deodorant, I'm good. Please don't mind the train, you're probably gonna hear it. But yeah, so that's why I wait so long. it's hot. I'm in Texas. So, you know, I'm not wearing no long sleeve. I'm wearing, you know, tank tops or, you know, sleeveless tops. And I don't want nobody looking at me like, ugh, you know, because I used to be one of those people that'll be like, oh, I'll never let my hair grow up that long. And look at me now. So yeah, but and I needed to, and then plus about that time, and you know, I want some smooth baby like skin underneath my armpits. One thing that I do to kind of like hype me up is like I do a countdown. I'll be like, excuse my language, I'll be bad on 3, 1, 2, 3, bad. Or I'll be like, I'm a bad 1, 2, 3, I'm a bad. Especially when I'm doing waxing down there, you need all the encouragement. So let's do my little countdown. Armpits aren't too bad. 1, 2, 3. I lied. It did not come out. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, yeah, that one. I felt that one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Ooh. So let me just get this last one. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I felt that. Ooh, and I was like, oh, armpits aren't that bad. Yeah. Ooh. So this were the first 2 strips. I'm gonna do one more in the middle. Surrender to those cosmic skies, whispering spells about what. And let's see. Ooh, this did pretty good. So here are the results, and as you can see, my underarms, the color is like, I might have like a little discoloration, but not as bad as like most females. Not like putting no hate or anything, but I know that's one of the things as being a woman, especially a woman of color, discoloration and all that stuff. So if that's one thing that you are struggling with, I highly recommend waxing, and start sooner than later as well. But yeah, so this is the results. Do you guys want to see like the strips? It might be a little, I'm gonna show them. Shoot, if you don't want to see them, skip like 10 seconds. But here's how one of the strips look, and then this is how it looks from the back. But yeah, so yeah, I like looking at them because you can kind of see like the bulb or the follicle, I believe, and the wax is like ripping it from the roots. So yeah, but yeah, this is the one arm, and I'm gonna go off camera and do the other arm, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with 2 freshly waxed armpits. As you can kind of see, my left armpit is a little darker than my right. And then also, I don't know if you guys noticed this like discoloration right here. This is where I had my last ingrown in. So yeah, it left a little scar. Now I'm gonna put on the after wax spray treatment. Means to be wise, there's glittering whites and shooting comets, milky bands that speak golden solid. So here's both arms, the final product. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.